Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one option which you may not be using, that is slicers within MS Excel. So what is slicers? So without wasting much time, let me show you in my computer that how can you use slicers. So if you follow my mouse, I have a data set available here. What's there? So there are salary range of different employees, their date of birth, their gender, and all other details. So these details are already there, and now what I want to do, if I want to check that how many male employees I have. So what are the options I have? I can enable a filter on this particular data. How can I do that? If I go to data tab, there I'll be able to find this option, that is filter. If I click on that, now the filter will get enabled. So if I now maybe go to gender and I click on this particular drop down and I select only male, then all male employee details will be visible. You can see in the below that out of 474 records, 258 are male employees. Now, if I want to go further and see that how many male employees are in job category 3, if I click on that, if I filter on that and then I click on OK, then I'll be able to see 74 out of 474 are in job category 3 who are male employees. Now, this is one way of maybe looking at the data, and this is using the filter, and it's a normal one. I think you're already using it. Let me show you another way. First of all, let me remove this particular filter. After that, first of all, I need to convert this particular data set to a table. What is that? How to do that? Let me click on any of the cell here, and then I press Ctrl A in a Windows system, and in a Mac it will be Command A. Select the entire data range. Then I have to go to Home tab, and I'll be able to find one option, that Format as Table. There will be a drop down, and if you click on that, there are different options using which how your table will get formatted. So this different color scheme, other things as per your choice. So if I click maybe this one, and then one prompt will come. What it's saying? Two things. One is the data range, which are already selected. That's why it's picked up the data range there. And next is my table has headers, which means that currently I have a header here. So that's why this will be clicked. And if you don't have, then you can uncheck it, and then you click on OK. Now what it will do now, there are different features of Microsoft Table. I have a different video covering that. However, here one change you can see, that if you go to table design, then you can see this, there is a table name already. Table 2 it picked up. You can change the name, or if there's a requirement. But this is the change as of now we need to be worried about. And now it has been converted to a table. You can see this is a change in the formatting and other things, and it's table now. And after we converted it as a table, this another option came up here, that is table design. If I click on that, there I'll be getting multiple different options. You can check and play with it. And one option is there, that is insert slicers. If I click on that, one new pop-up will come. In this pop-up, what are the things are there? What are the column headings? So what are the column headings are here? ID, gender, birth date, everything are there. So all things are listed here. So if I want to play with maybe 2 or 3 different maybe criteria, I can click on that. Maybe gender 1, job category 1, and what else? Maybe salary. And I click on OK. What it will do, it will give you 3 different slicers. Now let me show you how this thing will be helpful. If I quickly arrange this all particular 3 windows, and then I have few options now. What can I do? If I click on M, it will only show me the male data. If I click on female, it will show me only the data for female employees. Now, once this female employees are selected, if I want to check that how many female employees are in job category 3, then it will show me the data. Yes, only 10 out of 474 employees are female, and they are in job category 3, and their salary ranges are also here. Now, if I want to reset this particular options, I can click on this particular clear filter option. It will get cleared, and similarly you can do it for other criteria also. So this is a very basic example I shown. You can create very maybe rich dashboard using this particular method, and there you will be able to use slicers. I have a different course available where I talked about many such MS Excel related features. If you are interested, you can check the link in the description below for more details. Hopefully you will learn something new today. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.